Hi folks, and in this video what we're going to look at is adding a text-based render to the top of our character so we can output the health system that we are using. So at this moment in time, when I press space against our characters, we're losing health and it's appearing in the top bar just in the debug list. What we're going to do though is we're going to make this information now appear on our lovely character. So first of all, we're going to build a function and we'll call this update health function, just like so. And what we're also going to do is go to the viewport and just build a text box, which will be how we'll be displaying this information. So if we type text in add components, we'll get the text renderer just like so. If we move this up here and then just centralize the actual alignment there, it should appear just running above the box just like so. The thing is, we're going to want this to have a health amount and to be updated. So what we're going to do is go to our update health, and where it says text renderer here, we're going to drag this, we're going to drop this here, and we're going to just drag out of the text renderer and type set text like so. Now with this, we're going to update this into the function, and then we're going to assign the value. So the value will be the current enemy health, and then we're just going to put this as a convert from the float to an actual text value. Now if we go to our main player character, we're going to actually have to get this to send the message across to update this health system, and we're going to put this in just after the set enemy health actually happens when we hit it with our projectile. So we're going to drag out of here and type the word update health like so, find that function, so it is then called here. Now if we go to compile this and go to play, when I now shoot the boxes, it's now giving me the decimal value, and then of course disappearing when we have destroyed the target like so. Now what you might want to do is actually have it so your health comes across as more of an integer purpose. So maybe instead of it being 1.0, have it as 100. So what we're going to do is a quick bit of mathematics with this one. Go to our enemy AI, go to our update health system, and what we're actually going to do is just break this bit here like so. We're then going to do some multiplication, and we will do float times 100, update this just like so, and now what will happen is it will set it to the correct amount. And that, folks, is all. In fact, there's one other thing that we want to do beforehand, is if you notice whilst we're playing this, we have it saying text to start off with. Of course, we don't want it to have the word text to start off with, so what we're going to do is just copy this bit where it says text renderer and set text, go to the event graph to the event begin play like so, attach this, get the enemy health, of course, times that by 100, and then set that value in there. So what should happen is it will say the initial amount of health and then drop when you shoot it. And that is how you get a visual display of text to appear above your character and it to output the actual amount of health that that object has.